channel. My name is Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you. In this wig review, I am reviewing a wig from the Persephone brand. I do have one wig that I've already reviewed from them, and I actually have another wig that I forgot that I bought and I never reviewed yet, so that should be coming up at some point. This one I was lucky enough to receive from the brand to review, so I haven't even opened it or anything. Persephone you get online on Amazon. I feel like they kind of remind me of Charisma, so you know, it comes in this little package, and this is the Persephone package, and it says Persephone 13x6 lace front wig, 22 inches. So this is a similar packaging to Charisma. Charisma comes in a black packaging. Let's open her up. Sweet. Wig caps. Never gonna say no to a wig cap. And it comes in a plastic bag inside of here. I'll put the price if you were to buy it retail down below. I think it's in the $40 range. So this is a 13x6 wig, so therefore it's that free parting. I do find though with the free parting, they're awesome and you can customize it to what you want. But you do have to keep in mind that you probably will have to set down the part a little bit, so it does take a little bit of work. So this is her. Oh my goodness. Wow, she's super ashy. Ooh, I love an ashy blonde wig. I'm gonna go ahead and brush her and just see. I find her to be slightly shiny. Like, it's definitely a silky texture. It does remind me of some of my Charisma wigs, so it's not like a yaki. But let's go ahead and look at the hairline. Hairline looks gorgeous. Look at that. So obviously I haven't cut the lace off or anything. Cap construction. It's got sort of that stretchy mesh cap. You have 2 combs set wide, and then you have a comb back here because of this 13x6 lace. Then you can use a mesh wig cap and that'll catch in that if you want to. Comb in the back, adjustable straps, and there is even lace in the back here so that if you were gluing this down, you could glue this right down to the back too, so that's awesome. I actually have never had a wig like this. Yay! All right, let me cut the lace off and then we'll see what we're working with. I may need to trim the lace back. I didn't want to trim it back too much because I wanted to make sure that it could match my hairline. And this is also nice. If you can see, the strap is actually covered here, so that's always nice because then it doesn't like catch on your hair or anything. So that's really, this is like a premium situation. Let me put this on. Oh, okay. Yeah, this lace. I do like the hairline there. You know, this is it's a little staticky, but that's probably me. I need to add dry shampoo or anyway. But see, you can shift the part. You just have to sort of lay it down wherever you decide to shift it. It does have sort of darker roots. I would say this is maybe even a number 10 or a 12 root. It's definitely a light colored root. Okay. Let me get this chick together and then we'll see what we are working with. The wig cap actually, I did tighten it. It feels pretty good. I think it could stretch, but I don't think it's as big as like the Charisma ones. Yeah, so let me get this chick together and then we'll see what we're working with. there's a lot of pros to this wig and a couple cons, so I will share those. Usually I set the part down, but I really like this whole flip over situation, and that's going to give you the freedom to just come in here and sort of flip it on this side if you want and just do one of those. I don't usually wear a wig in the flip over, so I'm excited to have this one where I can do that. It's a very silky wig, so you're definitely going to need to add powder. You're definitely going to need to add dry shampoo, and this is a wig that you're going to need to keep on for tangling. I think if you let it be, like, get it where you want it, so say you want it right here, get it where you want it, and you know, brush it down and all that. I think if you just let it alone, it really shouldn't be like that bad. See, if you're just letting it alone, it's not really doing anything. Another pro is this root. I would say it's probably closer to like a 10 or a 12, which is a very light colored root. So if you're like naturally blonde, or if you have naturally light hair, this would be a great wig for you, because I think you could pull it off as more of a natural color. Also, you saw me cutting this lace back. This lace is gorgeous, so you can customize it. I still needed to. And normally you would glue a wig like this down. So you could customize this lace, you know, to your hairline and things like that. So that is super awesome. She's definitely long. She's like 22 inches. I just can't get over this. I really like this root. Yeah, and like, look, it's rooted all through there. So that's really great. Again, this would be a wig that you would glue down. You could also set down the part, so you could pull the part out and really set it down with a curling wand, but I'm not doing that because, again, I really like this flip over situation, and I don't know that I've really worn any wigs like this. Again, also because it's super silky, I sprayed it a little bit with hairspray. There is a few like little hairs that are coming up. It's like you shouldn't mess with it, but it feels so soft that I keep messing with it. But get it where you want it and then quit. At this length, I would say it could potentially be slightly weighty. There's a lot of hair. So this is all of the hair to the front. This would be a wig that definitely I would trim down a bit. It would get rid of some of the weight, and I also think it would kind of help with the tangling as well. But other than that, like, look at that root. Ugh, so cute. I really like this wig. Again, I really think this is for someone who potentially either has a lighter color hair naturally, and it's also for someone that's more likely going to be to glue the wig down. You actually even have the option to glue it down in the back, which is super cool. I'm pretty pleased with it. It is going to take you just a little bit of work to get it where you want it, but then once you do, again, quit playing with it. I do feel like if it was like this length, it would be even better, and I may cut it. Let's look at it from the back. Yeah, it does need a little bit more dry shampoo right in here. It's coming off a little more shiny than it really is. Yeah, let's look at the movement. It's slightly staticky, but it could really just be like my house, because I feel like once I spray it, it's fine. Overall, I think this is a really good wig, but I think this is a wig that is for someone who has naturally light hair. Oftentimes, you're going to see more of the darker roots as a rule. So I do like the fact that this has the lighter root. And if you are a natural blonde, or you have naturally lighter hair in the roots and you want to be able to just either mimic it or like blend it in, this would be a way better option than a lot of the other wigs. So for that, I think it is really great. I think overall, this is a wig for a specific type of person. It's for someone that maybe is okay with gluing their wig down, wants to glue their wig down. It's also for someone who has lighter hair. I'm not saying if you're darker you can't wear this, but I'm just saying it is a really great option for that, because people with lighter hair don't have a ton of options, especially not in this price point. So overall, I think it's a really good wig, and yeah, I'm happy. I really love the other Persephone wig that I got, so I'm curious to see about the third one, what that's going to be like. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. If there's another Persephone wig that you see online that you would like me to review, put that down below. If there's another Amazon wig in general that you would like me to review, please put that down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!